Hey, pest-free warriors! Today, we're tackling a common household nemesis, the black Oriental cockroach. But worry not, because I've got an effective and natural solution to share with you. Let's dive into the details of our cockroach fighting mixture. First on our list is the superhero of pest control, boric acid. Now, let me tell you why boric acid is a game changer. It's a powerful and versatile substance with properties that not only dehydrate and kill insects, but also disrupt their digestive systems. To our bowl, let's add half a cup of this pest-fighting marvel. Next in line is the sweet yet deceivingly lethal powdered sugar. Why sugar, you ask? Cockroaches are drawn to sugar, and we're using this attraction to our advantage. Once ingested, the sugar acts as a Trojan horse, carrying boric acid into their nests. Add a quarter cup of powdered sugar to the bowl. And now, the secret ingredient, bacon grease. Cockroaches are not only attracted to sweet things, but also to fats. Bacon grease not only adds a savory twist, but also lures these pests into the ultimate trap. Add 2 tablespoons of bacon grease to our mixture. With our trio ready, let's mix these ingredients into a lethal combination. Stir them well until you get a uniform consistency. Now, let me show you how to use this concoction to bid farewell to those pesky cockroaches. To use this powerful mixture, place small portions near cockroach hotspots, areas like cracks, crevices, and corners where these pests love to hide. The boric acid disrupts their systems, the sugar lures them in, and the bacon grease seals the deal. It's a trifecta of cockroach control. As the cockroaches consume the mixture, the boric acid takes effect, dehydrating and ultimately eliminating them. Plus, they unwittingly carry the lethal combo back to their nests, spreading the solution throughout their colony. It's a strategic and effective method for long-term cockroach control. There you have it, a comprehensive solution from our pest-free arsenal. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more pest control strategies, and share your experiences or questions in the comments. Until next time, happy cockroach-free living!